Imagine this. A mother in Ghana wakes up one morning and realizes she can no longer clearly see her child's face. She's not old, she's not frail, she had no idea she had diabetes until it silently stole her vision. Her story is not rare. This story is one of 250 million undiagnosed diabetes cases worldwide, where people who don't know that they are at risk until irreversible damage is already done. 81% of these undiagnosed cases are in low and middle income countries where access to diabetes screening is nearly impossible. The world is in the middle of a diabetes crisis, where 4 in 10 people are unaware of their status. Retinal screening cameras are expensive, costing over $10,000, and the result? A late diagnosis triggers diabetic retinopathy, the leading cause of blindness among working-age adults. This is a human crisis. We built Diadector, a smartphone-based AI app that performs an early diabetes screening with a single photo. Starting with 51% accuracy rates, we will pilot our app to healthcare professionals and conduct feasibility studies for improvements, and eventually create a user-friendly app for the public to access. It works in 3 steps. The user takes a photo using a normal smartphone. The AI analyzes subtle retinal patterns using computer vision, and a preliminary assessment is returned in under 30 seconds. Diadector has several benefits. We adopted FDA-approved diabetic retinopathy screening science. We are the only platform offering offline screening, which is ideal for low-resource environments. Our prototype uses computer vision, machine learning, and clinically validated data sets to detect retinal microchanges early. And all data will be managed under data protection laws. With Diadector, we have the potential to prevent 90% of diabetes-related blindness. Diadector directly supports UN SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being. Our market includes 250 million undiagnosed diabetic people worldwide, but we will start in Ghana, where smartphone adoption is booming and digital health systems are growing. We will then scale to the rest of Africa and the world. Financially, early detection could save an average of $3,300 per patient over 5 years. Our team brings together several areas of expertise, including public health law, clinical and AI engineering. We estimate that within 3 years we will break even, generating revenue through licenses, mobile team services, and donor-funded screening bundles. Help us make blindness preventable. Help us make diabetes screening as simple as taking a photo. Let's make sure no mother has to wake up blind and unable to see their child. Thank you.